Are you ready?
Yeah!
All clear, makes sense. No going back now. As we're from the top on the east, from the east, outro.
But if you go back a little bit, just is that easier for you? You think? Just lock your. Heck, am I in the shot or no?
No.
Okay. Fine with me. Oh, there's no one in the front.
Oh, what the heck? We're
backloaded.
Front-loaded. Have to move back.
It's alright, we don't need them. Yeah. It's so quiet. I know. It's so peaceful.
Oh my god.
It's sad and lonely elsewhere.
Oh boy.
That is still the hardest roller coaster in the world to film on.
I'm getting choked by my lanyard right now.
Oh, what a way to end the day, huh?
Oh, I just realized I'm recording in slow motion on my reaction video right now.
So that's a decent, interesting video at least.